What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, I got a jam-packed video for you guys today. So do me a favor because class will be in session. So watch all the way to the end so you can get the lesson so we can apply it come Monday morning. All right. With that being said, do me a favor. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you help this video get at least 2,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, check out this article from CNBC. Shrink and theft losses near $1 billion at Lowe's. Here's how much they are costing other retailers. By now, most of you have seen or heard about the theft that has been taking place in retails all across the country, especially like California. Okay, I travel a lot, so I even see it, and I'm taken aback by the mayhem I see and just people running in to these stores and just stealing at such a high clip. Okay, laws are being written up now to kind of combat that, but right now there's very little being done and they're just letting criminals run rampant. All right, but check this out. CNBC analyzed the balance sheets of 7 retailers to determine how much money they're actually losing from shrinking retail theft. Generally, the inventory losses are only a small fraction of retailers' net sales. They also pale in comparison to other factors squeezing margins, such as excessive discounting and promotions. Some retailers are pulling back on contention that organized retail crime is a primary cause of losses. Guys, I'll be the first to tell you, organized retail crime is running rampant, and mom and pop shops are really impacted, or a store that you guys know, little boutique shops that are on corners, things like that. They are getting crushed all across the country, okay? And then stores like Walmart, stores like Lowe's, stores like Target, and others are also being ransacked to the point where some people are putting chains and various things on products or locking them behind transparent windows and glasses and things like that, just to try to combat it somewhat. Now let's go ahead and break down what shrinkage is, okay? Check this out. Retail shrinkage occurs when a company loses inventory from causes other than sales. Okay, retail shrinkage causes a discrepancy between inventory lists and the number of products actually in stock. Shrinkage can occur because of shoplifting, employee theft, return fraud, administrative errors, and operational losses. Okay, so again, guys, shrinkage, it encapsulates a bunch of things. So don't just think it's all organized retail crime. Sometimes it's employees stealing from the company. Sometimes it's inventory not being sold. Sometimes it's promotional products and things of that nature. So shrinkage encapsulates a lot of various things, not just retail crime. Understand that when you're thinking about these things, okay, and how it affects your money and your investments if you are invested in retail companies. Now, guys, check this out. Class is in session really quickly, all right? Here I have pulled up for you the SPY, and we'll be operating on the 15-minute chart. Now, check this out, guys. I'm going to be teaching you this in full detail. Right now, I want to give you a snapshot of what I want you to see, and I want you to identify what you see. That's the goal of today's assignment. Okay, this is a 15-minute chart, and I want you to focus solely on this area that I'm talking about. And I want you to identify where is resistance, where is support, and any gap fills that you see. Okay, that is the lesson that I want you guys to focus on. I need you guys to begin to see the game and slow the game down in your head, so that if you see a chart, if you see patterns developing, you are understanding what's to come, or you can start putting together a plan to project what may be a possible scenario to consider that you can take advantage of. In the chart that I just showed, there are ample opportunities, at least 3, to make a bunch of money. I want to make sure I call your attention to it, and then in the next video, I'm going to teach you every single setup you should have spotted, okay? Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into today's video. Guys, let's go ahead and break down and quickly review some stocks and their weekly progress. I want to show you the importance of how September is always doom and gloom in most cases, but how you can benefit. All right, check the SQQQ out, guys, sitting at $18.45. On the day it was flat, but on the week it was up nearly 4%. Think about it in terms of this. Are or is your money that's sitting in the bank, not a CD, not a money market account, I'm talking about in the bank, is your money getting 3.83% or nearly 4% on it? Okay, this is an investment. This is an asset that I talked about at the beginning of the month, stocks to buy for the month of September. All right, because I know typically, historically, September is one of the worst months in the stock market. So one way you guys can capitalize on this is to make sure you have the SQQQ incorporated as part of your diversified portfolio mix. Okay, now check this out. This next one is Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. This one finished today flat, 178.78 at the time of this recording. Okay, but look at this on the week. This is part of that September stuff I'm talking about. Okay, on the week it is down $10, or the equivalent of over 5%. Think about that and think about ways you can take advantage of this, guys, whether it's through the SQQQ or learning to do puts. Guys, covered calls, you have ways to take advantage of this, all right? But check this out. Here you have SoFi, ticker symbol SOFI, $8.55. This one's currently sitting at flat on the day as well. On the week, this one was down nearly 3%. All right, I'm just pointing out a few things that I want you guys to take advantage. Now listen, this is not doom and gloom. If it comes down low enough, I want you guys to see it as a buy the dip opportunity. All right, but I just want you to see the mayhem that happens in September, so that you, whether you take advantage of it now or you take advantage of it in future years, like when 2024 come around, you can start anticipating, okay, here will be my game plan for the month of September if we have a down month, because it's not a guarantee that the month will be down. But I always want you guys to trade with a plan, invest with a plan. Okay, check this out. Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, sitting right under $250 at $249.09. It was down 1% on the day. Check this out, but on the week it is up 1.67%. Now I'm going to start showing you guys some contrast. Everything won't be down, you just will have downward pressure overall. Does that make sense? So this is a trap. This is what I'm talking about. Watch out for traps. Sometimes if the media tells you the market will be down, you may just blindly buy puts thinking it's going to go down, and then when you have a stock pop, okay, like Apple, for example, was sitting at 177, 175. If somebody was trying to ride it down, then they got trapped. That's called a bear trap, because it popped and went to 178. Okay, same here. If you was trying to take this down to 240 and you were just adamant and not flexible and nimble, and then this popped to 252 or 256, like we talked about in Discord, then you too may have been hit with a trap. Okay, but this one is up. And then check this one out, guys. DraftKings sitting at $31.88. The ticker symbol on this one is DKNG. This one was up 2.2% today. And check this one out. It is up 10% on the week. This is my dark horse play, guys. This is a play that I tell you guys about. It's low key, nobody covers it, but it will do its thing. It's going to do its thing. It's going to be a beneficiary. It has been. Let me just talk matter of fact. It has been a beneficiary not only of the new profile interest in online sports betting, fantasy sports. You have football season starting. You have basketball season on the way. You have college football underway now. These things will surely make sure this, again, sees these kind of pushes. And on pullbacks, guys, you need to be looking for ways to get in this if you guys are a sports person like myself, okay? Just wanted to put some of the highlights on you as well as some of the lowlights so that you guys can see a mixture of everything this particular month has to offer. Everything won't be doom and gloom. There's a bull market somewhere. You just got to know where to look, okay? Listen, guys, I hope this was helpful. I hope you guys got value from this video. If you did, please make sure you like and subscribe. Help this video get at least 2,000 likes, okay? Check it out. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.